Yes, because we used to do this at the end of the day, and by then you're knackered, aren't you? Came up this last week, last Thursday, much easier coming down it. But then we've got to go up the other side, and that's not quite so easy either. Three Shires Head, this is. Oh. That was hard. Oh, okay. You go ahead because I'm filming.
Oh, that's not a good idea.
This will warm us up. They're going to leave me behind now. Definitely. I think I might be in the wrong gear here, I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it was in third.
a bit by the time we finish this one.
We will be. Someone you can't see and plan your route very well. Just follow them, thinking they've got the route. Maybe they haven't. Right up that. Nice bit of sand. Let it rip. Oh, I love it. I love it. Another climb. It's a bit worse, this one. I know I should stand up, but how did you manage that? Are you alright?
Yeah.
You sure?
It just fucking took off.
It's happened to me once before down Happy Valley. Luckily I recovered. But
it took off.
Yeah.
And I couldn't get the clutch in.
Yeah. I know. I've been there. Well, at least you... Oh, take the...
Oh, yeah,
this is a gap there for you.
Yeah.
So we don't have to lift it up here.
Obviously it's been done before.
No, I think you've done that.
No, I mean...
Oh, there you mean. Yeah. Oh, that's...
Well, did you get it on film?
I doubt it.
No. Bugger.
I was too far behind, I think. But then I'm aiming... Yes. We shall see. That's going to be fun, isn't it? Go up there, I think. You want to go up here? Richard, when you get going... Oh, he can't hear me because he's got earplugs in. What are you doing?
Right, I've got it now.
Oh, you got it? Sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, it's...
No, I can't. It's too solid, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. If you come back, put it into neutral, three of us, we'll get it onto the top.
Oh, thanks, lovely. I fancy that. I haven't got any strength.
Sorry?
I've got no strength.
No, it's alright, don't worry. It's not easy with three of us, so...
You need to go down there where it's flattish a bit and then just go for it and stop just at those rocks and we'll pull you through there. But
right, I'll have
otherwise
there we go.
Okay. Oh, okay. If you go down to that wall and go up there, you'll end up at that gate. we've decided I'll go and fetch you. Oh, he's coming now. That's all right. Go on. I'm shattered just doing that. Oof. I think I'll try and call this off. Don't ask me how he did it.
Oh, did you see?
No,
Not on film.
I don't think so, unfortunately.
That would have been spectacular.
I know. It might be, you never know.
Huh?
It might be. His front brakes had it.
Oh, it looks going to be okay.
Oh, he's okay, yeah. He's got no front brake.
Hasn't he?
Nope. Oh, excuse me.
If you keep going down with it,
Oh, I told him that.
cross the river and go to that farm. I'm joking.
No, he can go down to the wall and follow it up to the gate.
Can you get through?
Yes, I've done it.
You have to cross over the other side of the wall.
No,
No?
no, this side of the wall.
Alright, other than that, we'll
But he said wait for you and then we'll pull him up. Oh, see, I fancy that.